How to make pop-up to Shopify. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a pop-up on your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's go to our Google Chrome, log into our Shopify account. Let's log in now here. So click on your store. Let's wait for this to load. And by the way guys, while waiting, pop-ups are a great way to capture your visitors' attention, promote special offers, and grow your email list. With Shopify's built-in tools and few simple steps, you can create an engaging and effective pop-up for your online store. And this tutorial will guide you through the process of making a pop-up on Shopify. So here, this is our Shopify store. Let's wait for this to load again. Let's log into our account or click an active account. So we don't have an active account yet. Again, so let's try to skip this first. And then our store name. By the way guys, this is just for tutorial purposes only. So everything that you look here or will see here is just for tutorial purposes only. It may look different on your end because this is just a guide on how you could add pop-ups. So if you will see my account, you can't see anything right here, just the settings or an options to create a pop-up on your Shopify store. So here, let's wait for this one to load, and then on this one, let's click on add apps on this left side right here. So here, click on Shopify App Store. Once you've clicked on Shopify App Store, let's go to the search bar in this top area and type in pop-up. And here, let's click on this one. And upon checking here, we will see a lot of pop-up applications that we can connect to our Shopify, but now we have to click one right here. So I think this one, Adoric apps or email apps. So click on that, click on add app, choose an account to be connected with. And once you connect your account, let's just wait for this to load, and then click on install app on your Shopify store. And let's optimize the settings. So here, this is Shopify store next level with Adoric is $9 a month. So let's try to click on free trial right here. And once you see this one, it will create you an account or add your payment method right here. But you can also find a free application or pop-up to your account. Just go to the apps right here, Shopify store, click a free or find a free account or free application for the pop-up application to be connected with your Shopify. And that's it for our tutorial on how to create a pop-up on Shopify store. And guys, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.